Inside modern enterprise data centers, virtualization platforms require networking components for communication. Virtual machines, servers, users, and storage systems all communicate through network infrastructure.
In VMware environments, this communication is managed using virtual switches.
Just like physical switches are used in enterprise networks, VMware also uses virtual switches to manage traffic inside virtualized infrastructure.
This is a standalone VMware ESXi host running inside a production data center environment.
Inside every standalone ESXi host, VMware creates a standard virtual switch responsible for handling network communication. During installation, VMware automatically creates a default switch called vSwitch 0. The standard vSwitch allows virtual machines inside the same ESXi host to communicate with each other.
It also provides connectivity between virtual machines and the enterprise local area network.
Using the standard vSwitch, virtual machines can also access the internet and cloud platforms.
The standard vSwitch can be connected with physical Ethernet adapters installed inside the server. Multiple network adapters are often combined together using NIC teaming for redundancy and high availability.
If one adapter fails, traffic automatically moves toward another active adapter without interrupting connectivity.
Administrators can create multiple port groups to separate different network segments inside the infrastructure.
VLAN configurations can also be implemented for secure and organized network communication.
For example, administrators can isolate management traffic, backup traffic, and production traffic using VLANs.
All standard vSwitch configurations are managed separately on each standalone ESXi host. That means every ESXi host maintains its own independent networking configuration and policies.
Because of its simplicity, the standard vSwitch is commonly used in small and medium virtualization environments.
However, when infrastructures become larger and clustered, organizations usually move toward distributed virtual switches.
Still, the VMware standard vSwitch remains one of the most important foundational networking components inside VMware virtualization.
Understanding the standard vSwitch is essential before moving toward advanced VMware networking technologies.
However, the VMware standard vSwitch also comes with certain limitations in enterprise environments.
Large environments may face configuration inconsistencies between multiple ESXi hosts.
As virtualization infrastructures grow larger, management becomes more complex and time-consuming.
Advanced enterprise networking features are limited in standard vSwitch environments. That is why enterprise infrastructures eventually move toward distributed virtual switch technology. So while standard vSwitch offers simplicity and flexibility, its limitations must also be clearly understood.
Understanding both features and limitations helps engineers design better enterprise virtualization infrastructures.
Provisioning, administrating, and monitoring virtual machine networks has traditionally been challenging for departments. Virtualization administrators typically manage networking by configuring individual virtual switches on a per physical host basis, requiring them to work closely with network administrators to ensure consistent configuration. Once deployed, both teams must find the time to troubleshoot and monitor the virtualized data center together. Many customers also require that the security procedures and policies of virtual machines conform to those of physical servers for security audits. This leads to additional monitoring and configuration efforts, increased management overhead, and increased TCO. The VMware vSphere Enterprise Plus package features the vSphere Distributed Switch, or VDs, that automates and centralizes the management of virtual machine networking in VMware vSphere environments. It also enables software-defined network configurations, reducing operational efforts and delivering greater agility. The vSphere distributed switch treats the network as an aggregated resource by setting up switching for the entire data center from a centralized interface. By eliminating per-host configuration and maintenance for each vSphere host, the vSphere distributed switch saves time and presents a more efficient management construct. With VDs, changes to virtual machine networking can be done centrally across many physical servers. When adding new hosts, VD standardizes network configuration, simplifying the addition of new servers to the environment. Features such as Network Health Check, VD's configuration backup and restore, and management network rollback and recovery enable even greater operational efficiency by automating and streamlining configuration management. To further increase bandwidth and redundancy, VDs offers NIC teaming and link aggregation control protocol support. Administrators can also orchestrate fine-grained prioritization of network traffic even in resource-constrained environments with network I/O control and port-level traffic management. VDs enables broader compatibility with existing network troubleshooting and monitoring protocols. Features such as NetFlow, port mirroring, and SNP allow network administrators to use familiar tools to manage and monitor virtual networks just like physical networks. VDs also supports advanced vSphere networking features, including maintaining network runtime state for virtual machines, support for third-party virtual switch extensions, and private VLAN support. VMware vSphere Distributed Switch helps businesses realize software-defined networking by delivering centralized provisioning, administration, and monitoring. It provides administrators with data center-level network aggregation and tight traffic management and control to streamline configuration and reduce operational efforts and overhead.